Welcome to my channel. A couple of days before heading off, on a holiday to Tenerife, I picked up the brand new DJI Osmo 360. With so little time before traveling, I didn't really get a chance to learn the camera properly or put it through its paces. This video was filmed during a walk from the Melia Jardines del Teide hotel in Costa Adeje down to the coastal village of Caleta. By the time we reached the beach area, near the Mirador de la Caleta observation point, I decided it was the perfect opportunity to test some of the camera's more advanced video features. For this footage, I recorded in panoramic video mode at 8K resolution and 50 frames per second. I also used the DJI's D-Log M color profile, which captures a flatter image and preserves more highlights and shadow details for better color grading later. One of the biggest advantages of the Osmo 360 is its ability to reframe footage after filming. Rather than worrying about where the camera is pointing, you can capture everything around you and decide on the final composition afterwards. Back at the hotel, I imported the footage into the DJI Studio, where I reframed the clips and created the camera movements you see in this final video. I then slow the footage down by 50%, which gives the walk a much smoother and more cinematic feel. After exporting the clips from the DJI Studio, I brought everything together in CapCut. This is where I added the on-screen text, completed the color grading, and made the final edits before rendering the finished video. Even on this first outing, the Osmo 360 impressed me with its image quality, stabilization, and flexibility during editing. Being able to shoot first and choose your framing later opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Especially when traveling, I think it's the best travel companion you can take away on holiday. Thank you.